What's up, everyone? It's me, your Sulitri John Valencia, and welcome back to Chule Asia Diaries of Mega Mega Love. Shout out mga ka-Jeromantics! We are back for another reaction video for Love Beyond Time concert performance of Jerome para sa kantang Fever. Yes, I love this song. So tignan natin how Jerome will be executing this very sassy and sexy song. So I'm so excited for that. But before we proceed, guys, if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to like our video and also subscribe to Chule Asia Diaries. And also mga ka-Jeromantics, meron tayong bagong channel for my vlogging era. Yes, kung bet nyo lang naman, support nyo po ang ating bagong channel na Truly John Valencia. Yes, sa YouTube. At mapapanood yung ating mga vlogs. Kung gusto nyo lang mapanood, subscribe na today, now na. Yes. And of course, ano pa ba natin? Let's go. Check this out. Alright, we are playing in 3, 2, 1, and go. Here it is, guys. Hey! Wow, love the low tone. Wow! Ooh! Oh my God, guys, that is such a sexy vocal from Jerome. Grabe yung low tone, no? Very bedroom vocal, di ba? And nakita niyo naman, pumitik pa siya ng ng bongga, ng very, very light. Oo. Ay, bumaba. Siyempre, nagkagulo mga ka-Jeromantics, oh. Nagtayuan na naman sila. Napaka-approachable talaga nila, no? Oh my God, grabe.
Kaya mo, papupuntahin ko na lang sa bahay.
Papupuntahin lang sa bahay.
Wala na.
Oh, ang sweet naman ng Jerome. Diba? Makakamay man lang. Naku, hindi na siya masyado makafocus sa kanta niyo dahil. Oh, ayan na. Tumayo na naman ang ating mga ka-Jeromantics. Oh, diba? Kinamayan na. Parang nangampanya na po ang Jerome. Oh, sasayawan na tayo. I love his low tone, guys. Grabe. Oh, may pitik pa eh. Ang sweet, niyakap niya yung bulaklak. Yun ulit, may pabulaklak na naman. Ang sweet ng mga ka-Jeromantics. There you have it, guys. That is Jerome Bardome performing Fever para sa Love Beyond Time concert. Abay, hindi na naman magkamayaw ang ating mga ka-Jeromantics. Talaga naman, nagtayuan na naman sila pagbaba ni Jerome ng hagdan. And of course, ang ganda ng low tone ni Jerome, no? Iba yung charisma ng low tone niya in a way that he's singing Fever. And also, very chill vibe lang yung version. Parang papitik-pitik lang tayo dyan. And of course, nakita niyo naman kung gaano siya ka-approachable at ang napaka-sweet ng mga ka-Jeromantics. Pero yun na nga, narinig nyo na naman, nakikichismis tayo sa mga nagre-record. Na parang nagtatayuan talaga sila at talaga namang hindi sila natutuwa ng very, very light. Oo, kasi, syempre nga naman guys, like what I discussed in my previous reaction, there's always a thin line. Oo, we wanted to, makamayan, makapagpa-picture, but of course, we should be aware of the environment as well because lahat naman tayo nagbayad at syempre lahat tayo makakanood ng performance ng maayos. Ganun lang naman yun, guys. Pero walang walang masama na ma-excite at talaga namang deserve ni Jerome ang love and support ng mga ka-Jeromantics natin all over the world. O, diba? Kaya naman, that's our reaction for today. If you enjoyed this reaction video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to the channel, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell. Once again, my name is John. This is True Leisha Diaries. I'll see you on my next one. Spread happiness, guys. Bye for now.